Support teams solve the same problems over and over again, but that valuable resolution knowledge disappears into closed cases instead of becoming searchable articles for future use. Your support agents waste time recreating solutions, customers wait longer for answers, and knowledge gaps keep growing because turning case resolutions into proper documentation takes too much manual work. AI transforms scattered case resolution data into polished knowledge-based articles instantly, turning every solved problem into searchable organizational data. Let me show you how this works with a real support scenario. Jack Ryan from our technical support team just resolved case 00001487 for a customer dealing with printer offline error code 0x6100. This was a network connection issue that took some back and forth troubleshooting, but Jack successfully walked the customer through the resolution steps. Now, instead of this valuable troubleshooting knowledge staying buried in a closed case, watch what happens when we use GPTfy to capture it for our knowledge base. I'm going to select our Generate KB article based on a resolved case prompt and hit Run GPTfy. I'll head over to the dropdown, select the prompt, and then hit Run GPTfy. Watch what happens. GPTfy is analyzing all the case information, the problem statement, Jack's troubleshooting comments, and the successful resolution to create a comprehensive knowledge article. Looking at the response, GPTfy has automatically generated a complete knowledge-based article. It's identified this as a network connection failure error code 0x6100 on printer, and created a structured troubleshooting article with the exact resolution steps that worked for this customer. But here's where it gets really powerful. GPTfy's prompt action framework lets me instantly convert this AI-generated content into an actual Salesforce record. I'm clicking the Create Record button that appeared, and it's opening our knowledge article form with all the fields pre-populated. You can see GPTfy has automatically filled in the title Network Connection Failure Error Code 0x6100 on printer, set the article type to troubleshooting, and populated the summary with error code 0x6100, indicating a network connection failure. Users can resolve this by correcting the gateway address and power cycling the printer and router. The complete resolution steps are all here. Verify the Ethernet cable, check network settings, update the gateway address, and power cycle the equipment. Everything Jack discovered during his troubleshooting is now captured in a searchable, reusable format. I'll save this article, and now we have a permanent knowledge base entry that any support agent can reference when they encounter error code 0x6100 in the future. Now, this knowledge base generation is just one example of what you can do with GPTfy's declarative approach. This same process works for any object in Salesforce. If you have an opportunity record with extensive customer comments and discussion threads, you can use GPTfy to automatically generate RFP responses, proposal documents, or project requirement specifications. The platform can analyze all that conversation data and populate whatever record type you need, whether it's contracts, project plans, or any custom objects in your Salesforce org. GPTfy's prompt action framework makes it completely declarative. You configure it once, and then any user can transform complex case data, opportunity discussions, or project communications into structured actionable records with a single click. Here's where it gets really powerful for your specific support organization needs. It's incredibly easy to add your support procedures, escalation guidelines, and documentation standards in the prompt builder. Whether it's your incident classification system, your troubleshooting methodologies, or your knowledge article formatting requirements, you simply input your existing support processes, and GPTfy automatically incorporates them into every knowledge article generation. The AI doesn't just create generic articles, it follows your organization's specific support standards and documentation process. Throughout this entire process, your sensitive customer data stays completely secure. GPTfy maintains enterprise-grade security with complete audit trails of every AI interaction. All customer PII is masked before being sent to AI, and every knowledge article generation is logged and auditable for compliance purposes. Your support data never leaves your security perimeter, and you maintain full control over what information gets processed. GPTfy's bring your own model approach means you can use any AI provider for your support knowledge generation. OpenAI on Azure, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, or any other LLM that meets your infrastructure requirements. You can even use different models for different types of support cases while maintaining the same security and compliance standards. Your support agents get instant access to proven solutions instead of recreating troubleshooting steps from scratch. Your customers receive faster, more consistent support with documented resolution paths that have already worked for similar issues. Your knowledge base grows automatically with every case resolution, creating a comprehensive repository of institutional knowledge and support. The result? A self-improving support organization powered by AI that understands your specific technical environment and support processes. Check out how GPTfy support intelligence works in our demo section. Or book a demo to see your support use cases in action.